Yeah, it's your boy Mr. Magic live, freeonthegroundradio.com. This is the FU show coming at you every Monday, 1 p.m. Eastern time. We bring you the hottest new music, hip-hop news. You know what I'm saying? You get the vibe with us, smoke with us, chill with us, all that there. Even eat with us, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we doing this new thing now. You send us your music, we will play it on air, and we make a clip out of it because we make clips of everything. So we got some new music on deck for the boy Lele. This man just sends us the music, you know what I'm saying? We appreciate that there. Them boys doing big things out there in Pensacola. I mean, we was checking out the vibe and everything, and yo, one tune that we rate, the Swerving remix. So we gonna bust that live for you right now. We vibing this right here. FreeTheGroundRadio.com. Shout out to the boy Lele. Pensacola doing like that. The FU show now, let's go.
Switching lane with Scotty in the black on that Bugatti, watching Menace to Society. With that Maserati, I can see myself inside it, making good right beside me, and she rolling.
My dog say he got that old school Tila vibe, you know what I'm saying? I remember that shit. Do you remember that Suave House nigga? What you know about that?
Now sticking to the topic, once a nigga make a profit, I'ma buy myself a condo in the middle of the tropics. And I can see myself coming back to Pensacola, buying every 6-year-old a Power Wheel on baby floaters. And they gon' ride good, but not quite like Lanuga. I'ma have to sit my G Power Wheel on baby floaters. They spin and they float, someplace some little propellers. I done went from rest to riches like that story Cinderella. And I can see myself swerving all in the lane, looking all on the brain, 2 names in a Beretta. I can see myself swerving in the lane.
That's right, check it out, FreeTheGroundRadio.com, let go. What's time for the boy Lele?
I mean, I'm in the safe with a Bentley in my custody. The feds be talking about busting me, but my shit be legit. From the Benz to the Jag with the Gucci bumper kit. As I visualize my life, I ain't never had shit. So when I'm swerving to the right, I'm the type to mash quick. Post some lean up in my Sprite, recline my seats and watch a flick. And let it be understood, I'm just another project. Trying to be mama about the hood, make your family more rich. Put the diamonds against the wood in my chain and on.
Yeah, you know what it is. Shout out to the whole 850 doing their thing. Keep on sending us more music. Hit us up. www.freeonthegroundradio.com. Check us out every Monday, 1 p.m. The FU show. My dog, Timmy Swagger. It's your boy, Mr. Magic. Make sure you holler at us. Right now, we vibe with the Lele. Let go.